Hi, it's zäme. Welcome back to FiliSwissed. It's another keto diet video for you today, and as the title says, I will be sharing with you keto-approved Asian food recipes. If you're like me and find it difficult to omit Asian food from your weekly menu, worry no more because we've had 5 dinners of only Asian food appropriate for the keto diet. No salads this time, but if you are keen on having salad and haven't seen my previous keto videos, you can check them out on the keto playlist on my channel. I don't want to keep you waiting, so let's get started. Depending on the cauliflower you're going to use to make cauliflower rice, for example, I use the frozen one because it's already prepared. I only have to defrost the cauliflower rice, collect the cauliflower into a cheesecloth and squeeze to release the excess moisture. Then you can cook the cauliflower rice as instructed by the packaging and season it with salt, pepper, soy sauce, whatever it is you feel like it should have, depending on your main dish. However, if you are using let it simmer until reduced. Serve hot with cauliflower rice and garnish with the cut green leaves of the scallion. For the beef lettuce wrap, you will need, for the method, mince the garlic and cut the scallion, separating the white onion from the green leaves. In a mixing bowl, add the ground beef, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ginger powder, salt, pepper, and mix well. In a pan or wok, heat the olive oil and saute the garlic and white onion of the scallion. Add ginger paste and cook for another minute, then add the meat and cook while stirring to avoid steaming. Add sesame oil and cook until brown. Add the green leaves of the scallion and stir. Use the lettuce leaves to hold the beef and serve. For the chicken lettuce wraps, you will need. For the method, in a mixing bowl, combine erythritol, ginger paste, sesame oil, sesame seeds, garlic, and soy sauce. Add the chicken and marinate for at least 15 minutes prior to cooking. In a pan or wok, heat the sesame oil on medium heat and add the chicken. Once cooked, remove the chicken and leave the sauce to reduce. Add the white onion of the scallion and cook for another minute or until it has further reduced. Add water if you want it to be a bit more soupy in consistency, or leave it as it is. Add the chicken back into the pan and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes more. Use the lettuce leaves to hold the chicken and serve. For the chicken broccoli with cauliflower rice, you will need. For the method, in a bowl, combine erythritol, minced garlic, ginger paste, and soy sauce. In a separate bowl, prepare the chicken broth. Once the powder is thoroughly dissolved, add it into the sauce bowl and stir well. Heat olive oil in a pan on medium heat, then add the chicken and cook for about 5 minutes or halfway cooked, then transfer on a plate. Lower the heat, add water and the broccoli florets, then season it with salt and cover with a lid to let it steam. Once the broccoli is tender, add the chicken back into the pan and pour the sauce. Let it cook until the chicken is done. Serve with freshly cooked cauliflower rice. For the beef broccoli with cauliflower rice, you will need. For the method, slice the beef into thin strips. Transfer to a bowl and add soy sauce and ginger paste. Cut lime in half and mince the garlic. Then squeeze both halves of the lime into the marinating beef and add the garlic. Cut the scallion, separating the white onion from the green leaves. Add the white onion of the scallion to the marinade and mix the ingredients well. Leave it aside to marinate for at least 15 minutes prior to cooking. In a wok or pan, heat the olive oil on medium heat, add the white onion from the marinade and then the meat. Cook until the outside of the meat turns brown. Continue to stir and reduce the liquid as you see fit. Transfer the meat to a plate or bowl and add the marinade onto the wok or pan. Let it cook until reduced, then add the green leaves of the scallion. Add the meat back onto the pan to cook and stir for another minute or 2. To add more flavor to the cauliflower rice, leave some cooked marinade onto the pan and add the cauliflower rice and stir it thoroughly. For a bit of kick, quickly cook some kimchi to add and mix onto your dish. And that's 5 easy keto Asian dinners ready for you to try and with accessible ingredients. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to click the like button if you did. If you have any questions about these recipes that I didn't cover in this episode, leave a comment down below and I can get back to you. If you don't want to miss my next video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. As always, I'll see you next time. 你学呢?